Cooking banana, and it's different from plantain because it's green also as plantain, but I am going to be cooking this. It's very good for you and it's healthy. It's like our unripe plantain, but it's banana. You can see how it looks. So watch out and see how I am going to transform it. So I'm going to be boiling this after I peel it. So you can also fry it, you can also roast it, anyhow you want to do it according to your choice. So this is the banana. Watch out and see how I am going to transform this cooking banana. You are all welcome to my channel, and thank you all my subscribers. If today is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to the channel. So these are the banana. So right now we just have to start to cut and peel. See? This is how it looks. So it's time to add water to the pot to boil the banana. If you like, you can add salt to the water, but I am not going to add salt to this. I'm just going to boil it naturally. So these are all the banana already peeled. So right now I am going to put them in there hot. So this is the hot boiling water. Right now I'm just going to be adding all these banana to it. This is it. The cooking time, let me say, is just gonna be like 8 to 10 minutes. It's already cooked. So this is the banana. This is the cooked banana. It's already well cooked. Oh my god, that is how you know it's very well cooked. Now I just have to take them out from this boiling water. This is after 8 minutes, you can see. So these are the cooked banana. It's ready and it's time to serve it. Thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cooking Show. It's so yummy and delicious. This is it.